Or pre-program, I was having knee problems. I'd been a fit person all my life. I belonged to the Ramblers, loved hill walking, coastal walking, and then my knees started paining me. So I decided to ring the GP, and he referred me to the physio department. Initially, I was rung back by a physio, and she decided, she sent me information, pamphlets, exercises. I had a good chat with her. And then she did suggest that they were doing a physio exercise plan. At first, I was rather reluctant. I wasn't, although I loved exercising outdoors, I wasn't that keen on exercising indoors. But I went along with it. There was 2 sessions a week for an hour or so, and they lasted 6 weeks. Being with the group, there were 7 of us initially, plus the physio guy who took us. And yeah, it's proved, yes, it was good. There were warm-up exercises, about 7 or 8 proper exercises, and then warm-down exercises. And yes, they were really helpful. I have definitely benefited from the sessions. They keep me moving, for starters. I'm still walking, not hill walking, but I'm still walking, and I am still active. But doing the exercises nearly every day has definitely helped the knee problem I had. Because we were Zooming, I've got really close with the other people, and in fact, after the 6 weeks session with the physios ended, we have 4 of us have continued to Zoom twice a week. We do our exercises together, we chat, we laugh, and yes, and we encourage each other as well by doing that.